This is Dave with Restore Muscle Car. We have a 1974 Super Duty in the Admiralty Blue. It's not very often that we run across this color. It's kind of a rare color for the 74s. This particular car came out of Dallas, Texas. It was a good customer that had it for a really long time, older gentleman. It's been restored several years ago. Motor's been rebuilt. It's a numbers matching motor. It's got an upgraded it's an original automatic car, and we have the original transmission, but it's got a 5-speed manual transmission in it now. The best part of that is you could not get a manual transmission with air conditioning in a Super Duty. So the high performance motor was not an option when you had a manual tranny to get the AC, but this car has factory AC and it's got a manual transmission. So this car is a strong running 74 Super Duty. They're one of the highest torque motors Pontiac ever made. Very limited in production numbers in 73 and 74. This is the only, in 74 was the only year they had this blue color, black deluxe interior. Like I said, 5-speed manual transmission. It's got the honeycomb 15-inch wheels on it, newer tires. This car's won a bunch of first place trophies at World of Wheels and different car shows in the Dallas area. This is a car that I would jump in and drive it across country tomorrow if I needed to, because it runs and drives outstanding. It's plenty of power, torque, and the Super Duty motors are just by far one of my favorites to drive. So anyway, check this out on our website. It's for sale. I don't expect it to last too long, but give us a shout, let us know. We can work with you on it, and you're more than welcome to fly in and come and see us. Thanks, guys.